If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this shorty bottle of Deleon Tequila into this lovely gold rhinestone embellish bottle, keep watching this video.
Today I am going to be adding some embellishments to this little shorty mini Deleon bottle, and it's called Deleon Reposado. This is a 50 milliliter bottle. It's very small. It's a little shorty bottle. I thought it was cute. I really like the detail on the top. Don't mind these nails. They're under construction. I decided to go with a gold rhinestone. I really like these gold rhinestones. I've been using them quite a bit lately. And the letter D on the front, I'm going to use these hematite black rhinestones. My black and my gold. I already have my one dot not a lot glue. You can use whatever type of glue you like to use, but I like liquid fusion. One dot not a lot is good. Gem tack is okay, it works well. And then E6000 if you don't mind the toxic smell, but I wouldn't recommend it. But don't throw your E6000 away, because it does come in handy for those bigger projects where you have to have something glued together to stay. So I have that. I also have this little wax pickup tool to pick up my rhinestones with. I'll have a link available for this and the rhinestones that I'm using. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've applied my glue. Too much glue. These are 3 millimeter that I'm using. When you're trying to trace something or outline something, it's best to use a 3 millimeter or smaller. So that way you can see more of the detail of what it is that you're tracing or outlining. Of the bottle. I think this label is fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover that up, but this one I would like to get off, and I did try to pull it off. If I can't get it all off, that's fine, but I don't want that to show behind the rhinestones. Okay, so I scraped that off and then I wiped it with alcohol, so that's off. So I'll just go ahead and get started.
Okay, so I like to start at the bottom with the rhinestones to get a nice straight line going, as straight as you can get it. And then you'll just keep on adding your rhinestones. You can go across, horizontal, or you can go up and down vertical. It just depends on what type of flow you have going. Just make sure when you add your rhinestones that they're nice and tight so there's no spaces in between. So I just already added the glue here, so I already have the glue on the bottle, so I can just kind of follow along and keep going. As you can see, this doesn't really take that long. I like to say this took about an hour, or right under an hour, maybe around 45 minutes. It's no hurry, but once you get really good, you'll be able to do these in no time. I do realize I may have added a little bit too much glue here in this area. I'm still getting used to the consistency of the one dot not a lot glue. And if you use too much, you see you kind of can't tell how close your rhinestones are. And that's another reason why I prefer a clear glue. This one has like an off-white cloudy look to it, but it's still really good. Once it cures, it locks in really nice and tight. So it is a good quality glue. It is $15. I purchased it off Amazon. But if you like something a little bit cheaper, you can probably go with the E6000 if you don't mind it being toxic. E6000 is under $4. As you can see, I'm almost finished and I just have a couple more rows to go. There is plastic on the neck of this bottle because it is a brand new bottle, never been opened, so I won't be adding rhinestones to the neck of the bottle for that reason. So I'm almost finished, you guys, just stay tuned. Okay, here is the final finished result. I really like this. I like how I use the black and, well, the hematite black and the gold rhinestones to tie in with the lid or the top of this bottle. It's very cute. I really like the sleek design of this bottle. It actually reminds me of like a fancy cologne bottle. This would make a great gift for a guy, I feel like, you know, because if this were to be put inside of maybe a gift basket for Father's Day, I think this would be very nice. You guys let me know what you think. I will have links available to where you can purchase the wax pickup tool that I used in this video. Also the rhinestones, if I didn't mention before, they are 5mm. And I used 3mm hematite rhinestones on the D for Deleon. After looking at this bottle, the top looks really scary and mean. If you just look at it, I never looked at it from this angle. I looked at it like from the top area. It's really funny and weird at the same time. Like, wow. There is nothing like natural light. A ring light is nice, but that natural sunlight, it just hits way different. Look at the shine of these gold-plated rhinestones. It's so pretty. I really like this. It's so fancy. This can be a gift for so many different occasions. I really like the fact that it could be like for a man or for a woman. And it looks really nice in this grass. Thanks you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Share it on Facebook if possible. If you did subscribe, thank you. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.